Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will share with you one project that is amazing but it's so fast to create. It's perfect for those really late Christmas cards that you need to create, and this technique can be applied to so many occasions, and yeah, it's really fun. I just love it. So I'm starting off by using a stamp set from Forte. This is called Silver Bells. I just want to point out that mine is a clear stamp, but you will get it as a white rubber stamp. That is just amazing quality, but I don't have it since I'm on the design team. I got this really early, but Forte are creating all of their white rubber stamps in-house, so that is also really cool. So we are basically halfway through the card making process here. I'm just taking one of the powders from Forte. This is the one called Neptune, and it's really amazing. It has a silver sheen to it when you apply it to darker cardstock, and this is a really like bright red color, or really rich red color, so it contrasts well with this powder. And this is in real time, so you can see how fast it is, and you don't need much of this powder to make a really nice impact. And I can say that the brushes I'm using are also from Forte. They are powder brushes, and just amazing for this technique. So I'm going over and like brushing the powder into all of our clear ink that we did, and then I will try to scoop up some of the excess powder here down into the jar, but you could also use the paper that I have underneath, and as I said previously, you don't need that much. And right now it looks quite messy, but you will see in a second here when I'm taking my large brush that is a little bit more fluffy and everything that is not sticking to our sticky ink will be removed, and you will be left with this nearly foiled look of a background. It's I cannot describe it better than that, but I cannot get this look with any other technique but with these powders, so they are amazing. And you will see here in a second when I'm taking up my large brush and just going over my image how amazing this is, and how much like a metallic finish this project gets. Perfect for creating Christmas cards. It would be perfect for any occasion, but it's really nice for what I did here. And to set this, you need to use something to bind it to the paper, and I will use just some hairspray just so I don't mess it up. And I will cut this down with some dies. The dies are from Trinity Stamps, but you can use whatever you like. And I took the slim ones that I had in my stash, just because I didn't want to cut off any of the message here, even though I will end up covering some of it and more use it as a background. I thought it was really pretty, and I like it to be visible as much as possible. And I took one of the scalloped dies here, and this is just a trick. I'm taking some liquid glue on top just to have some more wiggle room in case I didn't get it straight down the first time. And there is our slimline panel. And for the sentiment, I just cut a vellum circle, and then I use one of the sentiment that comes in this stash. Once again, I have clear stamp, but you will get them in white rubber, and you can do exactly the same thing. Just take out your foam insert in your MISTI if you're doing it in that stamping platform. And you can see here I just heat set that with my heat tool and some silver embossing powder, and that finished this really simple and easy Christmas card. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to the channel, and I see you soon. Bye!